Hey everybody, it's your girl Naj, aka Air Fryer Bae, and sis is back because today I will be making some air fryer cauliflower and broccoli bites. Today's recipe is courtesy of fastfoods.com. Alright, so I'm gonna read the description because y'all, they sound really delicious by this description. I'm gonna read it in my best journalist voice, so let's begin. The air fryer transforms cruciferous vegetables into a crispy, delicious snack. These air fryer cauliflower and broccoli bites pack a ton of fun and flavor and will have kids and adults coming back for seconds. Let's see if I come back for seconds, okay? So let's get cooking. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get our breadcrumbs together. Okay, so we're gonna pour 1 cup of those panko crumbs into our container, followed up by our Parmesan grated cheese. And then we're gonna top that off with some Slap Your Mama. And in the next clip, all you're gonna see me doing is getting the stir on, okay? All right, so now that our breadcrumbs are all taken care of, we're gonna get into this whole wheat flour. And all I'm gonna do, this is actually an added step that I did. All I'm doing is just seasoning it up just to give it a little flavor, just a little color, just so it won't be bland. Okay, so now on to the eggs. So in a separate container, all you're gonna do is crack open 2 eggs and give those a good whip. Okay, and then we're gonna move on into the next step, which is the dipping of these bites. Okay, so please know that off camera I already cleaned the broccoli and the cauliflower. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm dipping it in the whole wheat flour, shaking off the excess. And by the way, while this is going on, my air fryer is preheating on 400. Okay, so again, we shaking off that excess. Next up, we're gonna dip it in our egg mixture and give that a good twirl, okay? You wanna make sure it's fully coated. And then we're gonna follow that up with, we're gonna just give it a little drizzle with the breadcrumbs. Now I did press my hands in it just so that it can stick. And also, I'm not gonna show you all of them, but I will show you one more, and then I'll come back in the next clip to show you me putting them in the air fryer, okay? Next step, we're gonna coat our air fryer basket and then pop those cauliflower and broccoli bites right on in there. Hey, so what y'all know about that fresh parsley though? Okay, so the recipe calls for marinara sauce. So today I'm using this classical cabanera marinara with herbs. So yeah, we're gonna put that in a little dipping container and we're gonna get into this taste test. Okay. All right, guys, so here we are. All right, so here's one of my little broccoli bites, and I'm gonna dip it in my little marinara sauce. I pray that these are good. Let's see. That's crunchy. It makes it for a nice appetizer hors d'oeuvre. honest, I wasn't sure about this marinara sauce, but it actually adds a nice little kick to it. These are good. Mm-hmm. They're firm, but they're not hard. So listen, this makes for another win for your girl Naj. Like, air fryer bake is doing her thing. So I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned. Check out all my other Cooking with Naj videos, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. And as we end this video, I'm gonna take one more bite and tell y'all that yes, you would definitely want to go back for seconds. Okay.